Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Are you ready to boost your Clash of Clans village using a Google Play gift card? It's a fantastic way to get gems, gold, or other in-game items without linking your personal credit card. Plus, it helps you manage your gaming budget effectively. This guide is updated for 2025, ensuring you have the most current information. Let's dive in and get your resources sorted. First things first, you'll need to get your hands on a Google Play gift card. You can find these widely at many physical stores, including most supermarkets, convenience stores, and electronics retailers. They are also readily available for purchase online through authorized vendors. Just make sure it clearly states Google Play on the card, not another platform, to ensure it works for your Android device. Once you have your gift card, redeeming it is simple. Head over to the Google Play Store app on your phone or tablet. From there, tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear, select Payments and Subscriptions, then choose Redeem Gift Code. Now, carefully type in the 17-digit code found on the back of your gift card. Your balance will update instantly. Now for the exciting part, using your new balance in Clash of Clans. Open up the game and head into the in-game shop, usually represented by a card icon. Browse for the gems, resources, or special offers you wish to purchase. When you select an item, the purchase prompt will appear. Your Google Play balance will automatically be listed as the primary payment method. Just confirm, and your items will be added to your account. A couple of quick tips to ensure everything runs smoothly. Always double-check that you're signed into the correct Google account across both your Play Store app and Clash of Clans itself. If a purchase fails, confirm your Google Play balance in the Play Store before trying again. While app interfaces might see small updates, the fundamental steps for using gift cards should remain consistent for 2025. Enjoy your enhanced Clash of Clans experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.